मेरा नाम आशुतोष है और मैं आपके यहाँ पर सर्वत्र का कॉर्पोरेट प्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए आया हूँ। पर मैं चाहूँगा कि नॉर्मली ये कॉर्पोरेट प्रेजेंटेशन होता है जहाँ कंपनी के बारे में पूरी चीज़ें बताई जाती हैं और थोड़ा बोरिंग हो जाता है ना, तो वो मैं नहीं करना चाहता। तो इसको थोड़ा लाइवली सेशन बनाएंगे हम लोग। और टू बिगिन विथ हम इसमें एक छोटा सा गेम खेलेंगे। मैंने यहाँ कुछ रिवॉर्ड्स ला के रखे हुए हैं और कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, उसके यदि सही जवाब आपके तरफ से आते हैं तो ये रिवॉर्ड्स आपको दिए जाएंगे। तो शुरुआत करें आवाज नहीं आ रहा। ब्रेकफास्ट ओके। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज स्कोर्ड फर्स्ट डबल सेंचुरी इन ODI one day cricket and when? Anyone? Sir.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Right. So the answer is Sachin Tendulkar in 2010. So give a big round of clap. Sir, आपका नाम? Which bank?
गिरी नागरी सहकारी बैंक, औरंगाबाद, महाराष्ट्र.
Great. So Sachin Tendulkar was the first batsman. वनडे क्रिकेट मेरे ख्याल से 1950 से खेली जा रही है। 2010 में पहली बार कोई 200 रन वनडे क्रिकेट में बना सका। आपको मालूम है 2010 के बाद अब तक कितने लोगों ने डबल सेंचुरी बनाई है वनडे क्रिकेट में? 10 लोगों ने, और टोटल 12 डबल सेंचुरी हुई है। Okay, let's go to the question 2. Which was the first farmer integrated dairy cooperative? Mike, please.
Amul.
Your name, please, ma'am?
My name is Rimjim Shrimal.
From which bank?
I am from Fingrowth Cooperative Bank.
Yes, the answer is right. Give a big round of clap. It's a small reward for you, ma'am. Now, next question is how many such farmer integrated dairy societies are there? This was formed in 1946 and now till today there are 228 such dairy cooperative, farmer integrated dairy cooperatives, right? Okay. Okay, who is in what he has done? Anyone? नहीं? मैं बताऊं इसका आंसर आपको? He is Roger Bannister. Now, there is something called 4 minute a mile theory, जिसको Bannister phenomena भी कहा जाता है. He was the first athlete who has completed a mile in 4 minutes in Finland Olympic in 1954. ओलंपिक चालू हुए थे 1800 साल से, 154 साल लग गए 1 माइल को 4 मिनट में कंप्लीट करने के लिए। और आपको पता उसके बाद कितने लोगों ने किया? There are 1750 people after that can complete this. Okay, why I am telling you all this? I am actually giving a company presentation, but I am trying to tell you all this. Why? What is the reason? Now, what make this possible? Because they all believe that they can do it, right? Then they were focused what they want to achieve in their life. So they were pretty focused. They were doing whatever they want to do in the very focused manner. Third, they had a dedication. सचिन तेंदुलकर को टेनिस एल्बो होने के बाद भी वो प्रैक्टिस पे जाता था, right? Then they have innovation. Roger Bannister has done a practice in the ice ground दौड़ने की, ताकि वो उसकी स्टैमिना बढ़ा सके, स्पीड बढ़ा सके, और इसके कारण वो कंप्लीट कर सका। देन आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग, 1946 में सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी ने आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग करके एक फार्मर इंटीग्रेटेड डेयरी सोसाइटी बनी जो अमूल बन गया, और उसके बाद सो मनी सोसाइटीज आई, राइट? नाउ all of these people were first in their field. They were the first to do that, and they can do it because of all this. And why I'm telling you this? Because we also have some similarity. The Sarvatra also have some similarity with this. How? We have very strong innovative DNA. Okay? Therefore, we become the first ASP in India to provide the ATM switch services to the cooperative sector under the sponsor bank module, and we can bring the RuPay card for the cooperative banks. Nobody else ever thought. Everybody in 2010 were doing the CBS core banking software, and we thought that we will not do it. Although we were having 500 TBA banks during that time, it was cakewalk for us. But then our management decided that way ahead is a payment. Let's go to the payment and do something innovative so that we can serve the country. And then we become first to provide e-com and POS services to the entire cooperative sector. Then we become first to provide IMPS services. There's a story in this. We were providing a product called Bank on Move to ICICI Bank, and they were having IMPS switch, and they have a lot of problem in IMPS switch. उसमें बहुत problems थे, बहुत technical decline थे, तो उन्होंने हमसे कहा कि why don't you make us for us this? So we developed that IMPS switch for ICICI Bank, and same switch was made available to urban cooperative sectors. Then we were forced to provide a Aadhaar enabled payment system. This was because of we had belief in us that what we are doing, apart from the moving out from the TBA and getting into payment, we need to have that belief that yes, we can certainly do something better for the country, certainly better for our cooperative sector. That's the reason we actually stepped out of that, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि एक हमारा comfort zone है, वो comfort zone से बाहर आके हमने ये किया, and we can do that. We become pioneer in providing the UPI services. So UPI right from the scratch, जब UPI का concept आया, वो concept को बनाने से लेकर हमने RBI, NPCI के साथ काम करके UPI का structure पूरा develop करके UPI या cooperative bank को के सामने प्रस्तुत कर सके. उसमें हमने ICICI बैंक, आज की तारीख में टाटा नियो, उसके बाद भारत पे, there are a lot of companies which are using UPI of Sarvatra. Then there was G20 का एक समिट था जिसमें हमें भारत का पेमेंट सिस्टम क्या है और ताकत क्या है ये दिखाने का एक बहुत उत्कृष्ट मौका था. उस मौके को हमें दिया गया कि आप 3 बैंक्स थी वहाँ पर, ICICI था, इंडिया फर्स्ट था और पाइन लैब, ये तीनों के साथ मिलके हमें ये वहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करना था जिसके अंदर फॉरेन करेंसी को कन्वर्ट करके यूपीआई पे ट्रांजैक्शन हो सके. आप सबने एक बहुत वायरल हुआ वीडियो देखा होगा जिसमें उस सब्जी वाले के पास जर्मन जाके एक QR कोड स्कैन करके सब्जी खरीदता है. सो दैट इंटायर technology, entire specs for that was provided by Sarvatra. Then comes to central bank digital currency. So central bank digital currency was way back in the COVID time. RBI has selected us as a pilot bank to provide this particular service to 4 of the pilot, which was SBI, ICICI Bank, IDFC Bank, and Yes Bank. So during the COVID time, 2 years, we developed this and we delivered this to all these banks. And thereafter, we are currently having 9 banks on CBDC, which is IDBI Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, then UCO Bank, Punjab National Bank, and IndusInd Bank. So these all banks are already with us, and there are many more to come. Now, why I'm telling you this, the reason is we want to bring this technology to the cooperative sector even, and we are talking to the government, talking to the officials how we can bring this to the cooperative sector. So this would be a revolutionary product again for the cooperative sector. This was the G20 delegate where SBI and IDFC Bank officials were there, where the entire product was provided by Sarvatra. Now, this is our national presence. So we are present more than 700 banks, more than 600 cooperative credit societies, 369 districts where we are present. We are present in 27 states and 3 union territories. And how this was possible? This was not possible without the support and the trust shown by all of you in Sarvatra. So at the management level, I take this opportunity and this forum to thank you all of you for giving this support to Sarvatra, having that trust in Sarvatra and being with Sarvatra for a long time. And now, why we are pioneer in all this year? Because we always believe then latest technology in affordable price to be provided to our customer. So using various microservices, Kafka, Postgres, various database structure, and we provide all these services to our banks in the affordable manner. Now, my one question. In this room, I have asked some question and 2 people got the award, right? Do you think everybody should get the award? Right? सबको ये लगता है कि मुझे रिवॉर्ड मिलना चाहिए? हाँ नहीं? हाँ? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है? हाँ नहीं? मिलना चाहिए? ओके. यदि रिवॉर्ड मिलना चाहिए तो आपको मिलना चाहिए, लेकिन आपके कस्टमर जो बाहर हैं और जो जाके आपके पास अकाउंट है और आपके कस्टमर है, उनको भी रिवॉर्ड मिलना चाहिए? मिलना चाहिए नहीं मिलना चाहिए? तो वो जो रिवॉर्ड मिलना चाहिए, वो रिवॉर्ड का एक नया प्रोडक्ट लेके हम और आए हैं जिसका नाम है सर्वत्र रिवॉर्ड. So this is the first product in India and the first company in India. We are providing a reward on UPI transactions. And this reward is sponsored by the merchant and not by the bank. That is the beauty of this. Let's have a video of this. Pramod, can you just play that? And the brand ambassador for this product is MS Dhoni.
Cashback has rules, but they may impress. Life will easy, it's not free, only with single ID. Yeah, be free, it's not free. Only with single ID. Inside apps and security, brands मेरे पास में सबसे बड़ी. Only with single ID. Download any single ID partner app, link your card, and earn rewards with TopBank. Get free with single ID.
So this product is now available for all the cooperative banks. The banks who are on the customer can transact on the UPI and start getting reward from the merchants. Hindustan Petroleum is one big brand which is already associated. There are a lot of brand which are associated, but the common brand where people can normally go and spend on the UPI is Hindustan Petroleum, where you can go and do a transaction by UPI and you can start getting reward. So thank you very much. This was from our side. Thanks a lot.